All right, guys, so Johnny Valentine with Gain Solar, and I am somewhere in the tropics. I'm in the Bahamas doing a solar job, walking through, trying not to trip over all this material, and we are cleaning solar panel connectors. This video is all about cleaning connectors. So when I showed up on this job, they had already got all the panels in. These are on Osprey racks. You can see my other video about the Osprey rack. I'll talk about it more, but what we found is they committed a really common mistake, which is to plug up all your, or mount all your solar panels, but don't plug them into each other. So if you're gonna go ahead and mount the panels, you definitely want to plug them up, or you could end up like this. So you can see in that one. So some of these are far worse than the others. Severely corroded connectors. This one's full of sand. See if I can show you one. So you see all that corrosion in there, guys? So this is a high voltage DC connection, and those are the metal parts of an MC4 connector. Super corroded. That is not what you want when you go to plug this in. This is not supposed to have any moisture or corrosion. Corrosion inhibits the flow of current. It's resistance. So we're going through and cleaning them.
All the ones putting loose, I'm going to clean them up.
Oh my goodness, is what I have to say to that. So what I'm using to clean it up, that just won't do. Now, when I posted this on the Solar Forum in the United States, everybody said, just cut them and recrimp them. But guys, I don't have time to cut and recrimp 96 panels. I'm down here to hook this system up. So this is Safe On Plastics, Deox IT, D5. There's a lot of guys with a marine electronics background down here. There's a bunch of yachts. So this was recommended by multiple people. Don't get in your eyes, don't get on your skin. I just totally sprayed it. It splashed back in my face. I had to go rinse my eyes for like several minutes. I never know how long several is. Deox IT D5, Safe On Plastics, flushing action. So let's see how it cleans. I'm just gonna give it a little squirt. Get clear of it first.
Looks all good.
I'm gonna go ahead and give it a squirt. Ooh. We'll see how long it takes for it to dissipate. I mean, it's already looking better. Camera.
Once you put that in there.
Yeah, it works really quick, doesn't it? So the other thing I got going on is I got these airbrush. These are not airbrush brushes. These are carburetor brushes. The airbrush are nylon. These are steel. So I give it a quick brushing. And I did this one time on my own solar array, but they got full of dirt daubers, mud bugs. So same thing though. Look how clean that comes. Unfortunately, my iPhone just cannot focus. All right, that's one I just squirted, y'all. So there's a little bit of the green left, but it honestly looks a whole lot better. Channel a little bit.
Oh.
Now Kempy is on autopilot. He doesn't care. They all get Deox, they all get brushed. Right, Kempy?
Yes, they do.
And we are Deox in this solar array. And everything is cleaning up very nicely. It's a little buggy right now, don't you think?
Yes.
Kempy is the local electrical talent.
Yes, sir.
And we're gonna wire this solar array. We're wiring this solar array. These are older 72 cell modules, but we're putting it in 4 strings of 9. And then we're combining and bringing it back to an IMO. And going back to the Solarc as always. This one's done somewhat. So hopefully we can get the system turned on tomorrow.